Understanding the essentials of a hurricane kit. Stay prepared. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic, especially for those living in areas prone to hurricanes. We'll be discussing what a hurricane kit is and why it's essential. Stay with us to learn how to stay prepared and safe. A hurricane kit is a collection of items that are essential for survival during and after a hurricane. Hurricanes are powerful storms that can cause significant damage, so being prepared is crucial. This kit should include items like water, non-perishable food, a flashlight, batteries, and a first aid kit. We'll go into more details about each item in the following sections. In this section, we'll break down the key items that should be in every hurricane kit. These include water, at least 1 gallon per person per day for at least 3 days. Food, a supply of non-perishable food items that can last for at least 3 days. Battery-powered or hand-crank radio, to stay updated with the latest weather alerts. Flashlight and extra batteries, for visibility during power outages. First aid kit, to manage minor injuries. Additional items, such as prescription medications, personal hygiene items, and important documents. Every family or individual's needs are different. In this section, we'll discuss how to customize your hurricane kit. Consider adding items like baby supplies if you have an infant, pet food if you have pets, and any specific medications that family members need. It's not just about putting a kit together, maintaining it is equally important. We'll talk about regularly checking your kit to replace expired items and ensuring that everything is in working order. We hope this video helps you understand the importance of a hurricane kit and how to prepare one. Remember, being prepared can make a significant difference in staying safe during a hurricane. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.